Going through all the trouble that the senators, the security sector had to go through just to shield Senator Bato from arrest. So I don't know if that is something that the senators, at least the ones who are now in the majority, are willing to, sacrifice just to help their colleague. No, it's such a disgrace because number one, whether you are questioning the validity of the warrant of arrest that was issued by the ICC, there are better, procedures that you can do that would perhaps avoid a spectacle such as this. Yung flight is an indication of guilt. And that is something that may be applicable in his case. Now, with respect to the remedies that he is seeking before the Philippine courts, maybe that may still continue, no? But I don't think his decision to depart from the Senate premises will help it. Yung circumstances behind this sudden appearance only to participate in a highly partisan activity and then immediately exit is something that is, I don't think, no, good for the for this country's democratic development.
Yung People's Army. Pero ito, superior doon kay President Duterte.
ICC, why are we insisting to carry?
They are actually giving more rationale that the cases about the EJK should be in the hands of the ICC. Why? Because it shows that in the Philippines, if you're a powerful person, you can count on your allies, you can count on the institutions of the law.
I'd also like to ask for forgiveness for all the confusion and havoc it has created in the Senate. It is for this reason I am sure that Ronald made his, in quotation mark, escape.
The Senate will still be able to convene as an impeachment court. Okay? However, given that we now have a new majority, thanks to the efforts of Senator Bato, it would make prosecuting Vice President Sara in the impeachment court a little more difficult.